Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Sales Navigator for lead generation, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type linkedin.com. Press enter to navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. If you already have a LinkedIn account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Click the Sign In button to access your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type Sales Navigator into the search bar. From the search results, click on Sales Navigator. If you have an active subscription, you will automatically be directed to the Sales Navigator dashboard. If you do not have a subscription, you may see an option to start a free trial or purchase a plan. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process if necessary. Utilize the search filters on the left side to refine your lead searches. Input relevant keywords, job titles, or company names into the search bar. Adjust additional filters such as location, industry, and company size as needed. After setting your preferences, click the search button to generate your lead list. Review the results displayed on the right side of the page. Click on any lead to view their profile and gather more information. To save a lead, click the Save button on the lead's profile page. Repeat this process to build your target lead list. Explore the insights and list features for added tools to assist in your lead generation strategy. Utilize the messaging tool to reach out directly to your saved leads. Return to the dashboard whenever you need to access your leads or refine your search further. You are now ready to effectively use LinkedIn Sales Navigator for lead generation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.